We're going to go ahead and create the pupil and the eyelid. Now I'm just going to do a very small area here to show you how to do it. One of the things I do is I never work just with the black. The black is too dull. I always add a couple of layers, or one layer at least, to make it look nice. So what we're going to do here first is we'll go with dark umber. Now notice, see how it's skipping over the eyelash that I had put in? So the highlights are up in here. So we're going to make sure that you be careful and go around them, which was, I didn't really do such a great job of, but we're going to go ahead and save your highlights there. As you go along, you will also do the eyelid the same way. The eyelid is right in here. Use the dark umber first, pardon me, and then black. The eyelid goes all the way around in here. You have to make sure that there's an area right in here where you're going to save the lights, and so you'll work around it. And the eyelid goes like this, and it also goes around the top, and so on and so forth. Go ahead, like I said, you can look at my drawing and see what I'm doing there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring in true blue, just put a little splash of the color there. I always like to add a little bit of blue because it's like reflecting what's up above the animal, which would be the sky in this particular case. You're then going to take chocolate, dark brown, dark umber, and black, and just continue to create the eyelid. And also what you'll do is you'll take the French gray 10% and put in this highlight that's right here. So you'll do that and work it as you go, and go ahead and get your whole eyelid in. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep working at it. This eye literally took me probably a good 3 hours to do, especially on the smoother paper. You've got to put all these different little lines and nuances and so on and so forth that are in this eye right here. Just keep working it. Believe me, it'll look really nice. I know that mine didn't look finished because it wasn't. It would take so long to go ahead and demo that. But I used all of those same lines, all of those same strokes, and same colors, and just keep working it.